Amazing things happen when women help other women, women who seek to be equal with men lack ambition. I think it takes a strong man to be in a relationship with a strong woman. A lot of people hear to the word diva and think of it as a negative. I see it as a positive. I want somebody who knows what they want out of life and is not afraid to show it. Every girl and every woman has the potential to make this world a better place, and that potential lies in the act of thinking higher thoughts and feeling deeper things. When women and girls everywhere begin to see themselves as more than inanimate objects but as beautiful beings capable of deep feelings and high thoughts. This has the capacity to create change all around, the kind of change that is far the better. Think like a queen. A queen is not afraid to fail. Failure is another stepping stone. Greatness. It took me quite a long time to develop a voice, and now that I have it, I am not going to be silent. Behind every great woman is another great woman. I am not going to limit myself just because people will not accept the fact that I can do something else. Some leaders are born women, well behaved women seldom make history. Am I good enough? Yes, I am. I have as much muscle as any man and can do as much work as any man. Courage is the price that life exists for granting peace. Her own thoughts and reflections were habitually her best companions. I may be the first woman member of Congress, but I will not be the last. Each time a woman stands up for herself without knowing it possibly, without claiming it. She stands up for all women. Women have always been the strong ones of the world. You must never be fearful about what you are doing when it's right. Women belong in all places where decisions are being made. It should not be that women are exception. What I want young women and girls to know is you are powerful and your voice matters. You have to believe in yourself when no one else does. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. I am no longer accepting the things I cannot change. I am changing the things I cannot accept. A woman with a voice is, by definition, a strong woman. Don't follow the crowd. Let the crowd follow you. Nothing in life is to be feared. It is only to be understood. Life is either a daring adventure or nothing. Let us have faith as women achieve power. The barriers will fall.